8 seconds. 86-78. Gorgor. Pass to Pastor. Back to Gorgor. Gorgor. Wala. Rebound ni Eddie. Eddie. Dribbling. Pass to Torres. Torres. Dribbling. Lamang sila ng 8. Pass to Yogyong. 10 to shoot. Back to Torres. Torres. Umatake. It's the same 4 more seconds. 4 to shoot. 4 to shoot. Yogyong. Yogyong. Grabe yung pulong ko na yan. May popi. Bala rito. Pass to Gorgor. Gorgor umatake. Rebound kay Tito Drew. Tito Drew. Basket is gone. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Lamang pa rin sila na wala. Torres. Dribbling. Pass to Eddie. Eddie sa balaksa. Shabuling. Pupumpay. Pass to Torres. Torres for three. Grabe si Alex Caruso. Alex Caruso. Foul. Field. 1 minute 40 seconds. Lamang sila ng 11. Ang Purple Nation. Third personal foul. Warning to penalty na ang Purple Nation.